Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today we discuss about what is a ledger in accounting. A ledger is a book containing accounts in which the classified and summarized information from the journals. We are already discussed about what is general. Now we are discussed about ledger accounting. Is journals is posted as debit and credit. It is also called the secondary book of entry. We are already known as the primary book of entry. It is journal entries. Now secondary book of entry, it is ledger. The ledger contains the information that is required to prepare financial statements. Financial statements transfer income statements and balance sheets. It is includes accounts for assets. Assets are like fixed assets, tangible assets, intangible assets, current assets, and liabilities. Liabilities also current liabilities and fixed liabilities. Then long term, short term liabilities. The owner's equity. Owner's equity is equity shares, debts, etc., and revenue and expenses. This complete list of accounts is known as the chart of accounts. Now we discuss about what is a ledger account. Well, a ledger account is journal in which company maintains data all the transactions and financial statements. The company general ledger is organized under general ledger. The balance sheet is classified in multiple accounts like assets and accounts receivables and accounts payables and stockholders liabilities, equity share vendors and stock tax expenses, profit losses and funds, loans, bonds and stock exchange. We discussed about all the information in our class. Now what is difference between journal and ledger? We are already know what is general. Now we discuss difference between ledger and journal. The journal and ledger is both play an important role in accounting process. The both are journal and ledger take a important role in this accounting system. The business transactions are primarily recorded in the journal, thereafter forward into passing into the ledger under respective heads. While many financial transactions are posted both journal and ledger, there are significant difference in the purpose of the functions and each these accounting books. The meaning of financial, the meaning of ledger. The financial transactions are summarized and recorded as per the double entry system in journal. It is also known as the primary book of entry, book of original entry. We are already discussed in our previous class book of original entry. A ledger on other hand is known as the principal book of accounting. We discussed about this is also known as secondary entry of book, secondary entry of book. Then it is also known as primary book of accounting. It is recorded information from the journals in the T format. The pro forma format is look like a T format. It is used to create the trial balance in which is also source of the financial statement. The financial statements means income statements and balance sheets, such as income statement and balance sheets. Recording transactions. The process of recording transactions in a journal is called journalizing. The process of recording transaction in journal, it is on journal entries or journalizing, while the process of transferring the entries from journal to the ledger is known as posting. It is ledger posting. The transactions in a journals are recorded in chronological order, making it easy and identify the associate is given business. Why? Because the transactions are recorded day to day, whereas it is easy to identify the transactions are associated with given business day, week or another billing period. By contrast, the agreement of entries within ledger has more than due to groups like transactions together in specific accounts for purpose of assigns. For example, in this ledger purpose, we collecting all same data related to same account as under single account if it is not applying ledger. The format of journal is simple. It is included date transactions. It is included transaction date, particular of the transaction, portfolio number, debit amount, credit amount. There is no scope for balancing normal. We discussed about pro forma of journal. We are already discussed in previous class like this: date, particular, ledger, portfolio, debit amount, credit amount. We have 5 columns. In here date column we discussed already about in previous class. Take here and after divide two parts, as one is month, another one is date. In particular column, amount should be debited under DR, then after take some place and to amount to be credited account, then both side balance debit amount and credit amount. The format of ledger. The ledger use the T format where date, particulars, amount is recorded in each side. We have two sides. One side is debit, another one side is credit. Unlike the journal, some ledger accounts are started with an opening balance, that is closing balance of the previous year, and also at the end of the ledger amount should be balanced. Preparing a ledger is important. It is a master's document of financial transaction. Since report its every revenue expenses is real time, it can help to you stay off spending your spending. The general ledger will also help to combine trial balance, stop unlegible transactions, and aids to the creation of financial statements. The main purpose of ledger preparation to prepare financial statements, that is income statement and balance sheet. Now we discuss about pro forma of ledger account. A ledger is look like a T shape. It have two sides. One is debit side, another one is credit side. Every side have 4 columns. The first column is date, particular, LF. LF stands for ledger folio, amount. Whereas credit side is also same columns is repeated: date, particular, LF, amount. Now we discuss about date column. Date column here stands for date of the transaction, and particular column here stands for the what account should be credited. With prefix to, add prefix to. Amount is appearance as amount of the transaction. Then date column of the credit side is also same, look like the debit side. Here, thank you all. This is information about ledger. We are discussing about next class.